Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in Power BI training. My name is Mozam Said and I'm your instructor for Power BI training. Let's start the training with the very basic introduction of Power BI. Alright, if we talk about the Power BI, this is a very basic definition. Power BI is a business analytics service provided by Microsoft. It provides interactive visualizations with self-service business intelligence capabilities where end users can create reports and dashboards by themselves. So guys, this is a very basic definition of Power BI and let's understand it with the help of an example. Let's say we have data in Microsoft Excel and there are you can say millions of rows of data, and if we want to convert it into different visuals, we can convert it with the help of Power BI tool. So with the help of Power BI, we can create a very interactive dashboard which will help us to analyze the data in a very easy manner. So this is a very basic introduction and the basic benefit of Power BI. If we talk about the parts of Power BI, there are major three parts, three components. One is Power BI Desktop, second is Power BI Service, and third one is Power BI Mobile. And hope so we will do hands-on experience on all these components in our all upcoming videos. And if we talk about the market share of Power BI, Microsoft is the top vendor in terms of number of installs with about 23k companies, and it is capturing almost 17% of relative market share. This is already a handsome number. So guys, this is a very basic introduction of Power BI, and if you guys want to install Power BI in your machine, in your computer, you can visit this link. I will paste this link in the description as well. You can click on it and download the Power BI desktop in your machine, install it. So guys, this is all for this video. Thank you so much.